We have covered gravity in the introduction module already, but there is one confusing case when you use it in linear layout. Here is an example. We have a vertical linear layout with a single text view, and we set the layout gravity of the text view to be bottom. What do you think this layout looks like? You are probably not expecting this. I have set layout gravity equals bottom, so the whole view should go down to the bottom of the screen, right? No. And it's a little bit complicated to explain, but it has to do with the fact that we set this linear layout to be orientation vertical. Let's review how linear layout works. In a horizontal linear layout that takes up the whole screen, we put our view one after another. This is the first view. The second view goes to the right of the first view, and so on. For a vertical layout, the idea is very similar. But instead of horizontally, we are putting the view one after another vertically. A horizontal linear layout takes care of the horizontal position of its children. As a result, the children can only adjust its vertical position within the layout using layout gravity, but cannot override the horizontal position. So, for example, it can say that it wants its layout gravity to be center vertical, but it cannot say that it wants its layout gravity to be, say, to the right. Think of it another way. If the linear layout indeed obeys that command and put the view to be to the right-hand side, then what happens to the next view? Where would it put it? By the same token, a vertical layout will allow its children to adjust its horizontal position, for example, to shift to the right, but cannot move it to the bottom, because again, the rest of the children will have nowhere to go. In our example, if we want to move the view all the way to the bottom of the parent, we can change the orientation to be horizontal. In that case, the layout gravity of bottom will be respected. We can also use a different kind of layout called relative layout to achieve the same result. We'll go over that in the next module. Let me just show you a quick screenshot. Here is how it looks like if I change the orientation of the parent to be horizontal instead of vertical for the orientation. As you can see, the view goes all the way to the bottom.